In this video, let's discover the power of neem tree flower and its potential health benefits, recipes, considerations, and contraindications. So please watch this video until the end to know all details. Let's begin with some basic information about the neem tree. The neem tree, scientifically known as Azadirachta indica, stands as a remarkable and highly revered plant, particularly within the Indian subcontinent, which is also known as neem, Neem tree, Indian lilac, and margosa. It's also found in other parts of the world. For centuries, the people of India have held this tree in high esteem, trusting it to bolster their health and provide remedies for a vast array of ailments. Its reputation as nature's pharmacy, or the village pharmacy, underscores its perceived versatility and historical significance as a primary source of traditional medicine in rural communities. This video delves into the specific benefits of the neem flower extract for human health, supported by both traditional wisdom and contemporary scientific research, while also emphasizing the profound cultural roots of this extraordinary tree within India. The neem tree graces the landscape with its attractive rounded crown and can reach heights of 50 to 75 feet, sometimes even towering up to 100 feet. Its compound pinnate leaves, typically evergreen but capable of shedding during prolonged drought, provide a dense canopy. During the spring season, this remarkable tree produces clusters of small, fragrant flowers, typically white or pale yellow in color, which bloom in drooping formations known as panicles. These delicate blossoms, available seasonally from February to April or May-June, hold a unique distinction as the only edible part of the entire neem tree, and remaining parts are carrying their strong medicinal properties. In India, neem flowers are not only valued for their potential health benefits, but are also incorporated into various culinary preparations, including the making of juice, often referred to as sharbat, and other traditional dishes. The timing of the neem flower's appearance, coinciding with the onset of the summer season in India, hints at a traditional understanding of its role in helping the body adapt to the warmer climate. This seasonal availability may be linked to addressing specific health needs or practices associated with summer, such as promoting cooling effects or aiding digestion, which can be affected by the heat. Furthermore, the traditional use of neem flowers in both their fresh form and as dried or powdered versions indicates methods of preservation and a recognition of their benefits beyond their limited blooming period. This suggests that communities found ways to harness the properties of these flowers for use throughout the year. The use of neem flowers for their health benefits has been deeply ingrained in traditional Indian practices for generations. Traditionally, neem flowers have been employed to address a wide range of gut-related issues, offering relief from common discomforts such as bloating, gas, constipation, indigestion, and general stomach aches. Furthermore, these flowers have been utilized to help regulate bile production, manage phlegm, and even combat intestinal worms. Their role as a natural antiseptic has also been recognized, with traditional practices utilizing them to cleanse the system. This aligns with the broader use of various parts of the neem tree in Ayurvedic medicine, a holistic system of healing that has valued the neem for its therapeutic properties for thousands of years. The consistent application of different parts of the neem tree, including the flowers, for various health concerns such as gut issues, worms, phlegm, and for post-fever faster recovery of the tired body, alongside the broader uses of the leaves, bark, and oil as antiseptics, and for skin diseases or fever, points to a holistic understanding of its therapeutic potential across different parts of the plant. Modern scientific research is beginning to validate some of these traditional uses, particularly concerning the neem flower's impact on the immune system. Studies suggest that extracts from neem flowers can modulate immune activity by enhancing both innate and adaptive immune responses, while also mitigating excessive inflammation. This capacity to influence the immune system could explain the traditional use of neem flowers for various ailments. Furthermore, research indicates that neem flowers may offer benefits for individuals with diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and contributing to lower blood sugar levels. A 2020 study, for instance, demonstrated significant improvements in high blood sugar levels and inflammation in individuals with type 2 diabetes following the use of neem. Preclinical investigations have also highlighted the potential of neem flowers to protect against oxidative damage and even induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Studies conducted on rats have shown a marked reduction in the incidence of both mammary gland and liver tumors when neem flowers were included in their diet. Beyond these areas, neem flowers have also been traditionally used to promote skin health, with potential benefits including cleansing the skin, reducing blemishes, and improving hair quality. The presence of various phytochemicals within neem flowers, such as quercetin, rutin, camphorol, gallic acid, nimbin, and nimbidin, is believed to be responsible for these wide-ranging pharmacological activities. The convergence of traditional uses of neem flowers for gut health and modern research highlighting their impact on the immune system and inflammation suggests a possible mechanism related to the intricate connection between the digestive system and the body's immune responses. Similarly, the consistent mention of potential anti-diabetic effects in both traditional knowledge and scientific studies provides a strong rationale for further scientific exploration of neem flowers as a complementary approach to managing blood sugar levels. While the preclinical findings regarding the chemopreventive potential of neem flowers are promising, it is important to acknowledge that much of the research is still in its early stages, and further human studies are needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits. Researchers also point to the need for more standardized methods for extracting the beneficial compounds from neem flowers to ensure consistency in research findings. The neem tree holds a deeply significant place in the cultural tapestry of India, extending far beyond its medicinal applications. Its presence is integral to various Indian festivals and rituals. During festivals like Ugadi and Gudi Padwa, neem leaves and flowers are traditionally used in rituals and are consumed as part of a special dish that combines bitter and sweet flavors, symbolizing the acceptance of both the joys and challenges of life. This practice reflects a philosophical understanding of life's dualities, with neem representing resilience and health in the face of adversity. For oral hygiene, the use of neem twigs as natural toothbrushes has been a long-standing practice, highlighting the practical application of its medicinal properties in daily life. The neem tree's importance is further underscored by its mention in ancient Indian texts, including the Vedas and Ayurvedic scriptures, signifying its long history and deep integration into the cultural and spiritual life of India. Incorporating neem flower juice into one's diet can be done through traditional recipes that have been passed down through generations. Let's have a look at a practical demo of how neem flower juice is made in a traditional way. Collect fresh twigs of neem tree along with flowers and young leaves, around 10 to 15 terminal twigs. Rinse well under tap water. Separate the flowers. Put them all together in a mortar and pestle. Crush them while slowly. Put the crushed flowers in a strainer mesh or a clean cotton cloth. Squeeze well the juice in a container. This juice is carrying a pleasant aroma, and it's ready to drink. The taste is little sweet, not bitter, like neem leaves and fruits. If you drink 25 to 50 milliliters juice every day during the flower season, it's an ideal quantity to improve your immune system and gut health. One popular preparation is neem flower sharbat, which typically includes fresh or dried neem flowers, jaggery, a natural sweetener, water, and sometimes spices like black pepper and ginger, along with a touch of raw mango for flavor. Another traditional dish is neem flower rasam, a type of South Indian soup that utilizes neem flowers, along with tamarind, lentils, and various spices. These recipes highlight the culinary integration of neem flowers into Indian diets, suggesting that their health benefits were often obtained through regular consumption as part of meals. When available, fresh neem flowers are preferred for these preparations, but dried or powdered forms can also be used, allowing for year-round access to their potential benefits. While the neem tree and its flowers offer numerous potential health benefits, it is important to be aware of certain considerations and precautions. Please visit your Ayurveda doctor or consult your healthcare provider to avoid any unwanted side effects. Pregnant women are generally advised to avoid using neem due to the possibility of it causing a miscarriage. Individuals with autoimmune diseases, those who have undergone organ transplantation, or people with diabetes should exercise caution and consult their healthcare provider before using neem products, including neem flower juice. There is also the potential for neem to interact with certain medications, such as those used for diabetes and immunosuppressants. These warnings indicate that while neem possesses remarkable therapeutic properties, it is a potent herb that should be used with awareness and responsibility. particularly by vulnerable populations or when combined with other medications. In conclusion, the neem tree and its flower juice hold a significant place in both the traditional health practices and the rich cultural heritage of India. The flowers, with their potential health benefits for gut health, immunity, blood sugar regulation, and even showing promise in preclinical cancer research, are a testament to the wisdom of traditional medicine. Coupled with the deep reverence for the neem tree in Indian culture, its association with deities, festivals, and daily practices underscores its enduring importance. As scientific research continues to explore the pharmacological potential of neem flowers, it is essential to approach their use with mindfulness and awareness of potential precautions, ensuring that this natural wonder is utilized safely and effectively. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and know about more natural immune booster herbs, please comment below. Also share this video with your friends and family to keep their immune system at the peak and help them out.